Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to slow-mo part of your clip in DaVinci Resolve 19. So let's get right into it. You have your clip in the timeline and you want to pick out a specific portion of it to slow-mo. What we're going to do is first get our cutting tool, cut the portion where we want the slow-mo to start, and then cut the end portion where we want it to end the slow-mo. Now select the portion that you want to slow-mo, right-click on it, and now we're going to go over to change clip speed. And now what we're going to do is, let's go at 75% speed. And now it's slow-mo. Really cool, guys. Just to be aware, I'm going to go back and show you change clip speed. Make sure ripple timeline is selected. You need it to be selected so that it doesn't cut the rest of the footage. Click change, and then now you are done. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.